Hey everybody, I'm Taylor and welcome to the KC YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at our brand new 6-light Cyclone LED Universal Rock Light Kit. So this kit comes with 6 cyclones. This is the amber version that we're looking at today, but we also offer it in red, green, blue, and white versions. Now it comes with various length leads so that way you can get the wiring dialed perfectly for your vehicle, and they're a really nice, high quality, well insulated lead, so it's going to be perfect for holding up to the weather and holding up to the elements underneath your vehicle. Now, in addition to the lights and all the wiring that comes with this kit, we also have a nice premium fuse block and the grounding post that it comes with. Of course, all the switches, the zip ties, some hardware, and the bracketry to connect it to your vehicle. Now, the only piece of hardware that you're going to need for your vehicle, because it is going to be vehicle specific, is the hardware to go from the bracket and the light onto your vehicle itself. Now, our crew over in LA has already installed this onto a Toyota 4Runner, so let's take a look at that footage right now. The first step to installing this kit is to locate an area in your engine bay that's close to the battery so that you can mount the fuse block. Mount the fuse block by drilling a pilot hole and then using the included hardware to screw down the fuse block securely. You'll then follow the same procedure for the grounding post. For safety, we recommend that you remove the fuses from the fuse block. As you can see, the kit includes 2 each of 3 different length wiring leads. Lay out the wire harnesses to start running the 8-foot length to the front, the 11-foot length to the middle of the vehicle, and then the 16-foot length harness to the back of the vehicle. You'll want to start from the fuse block and then begin to just maneuver and fish the wires through the bottom of the engine bay to the various locations underneath your vehicle that you're planning to mount the cyclones. After that, you can prepare the cyclones with either the L or the Z brackets by using the supplied M10 button head cap screws and the nylock nuts to attach the cyclones to the 10mm holes on those brackets. You'll then need to get hardware to mount these assemblies to your vehicle, or just reuse existing hardware like you see in this video shot right here. Since each vehicle is different, find a location underneath your rig that's suitable for mounting the cyclones. Preferably, find a safe place that's not obstructing your vehicle's operation, but also won't get damaged when you're out off-roading. Here, you'll see that we placed the cyclones in safe locations in front of the front tires, just behind the front tires, and then again in the middle of the 4Runner. So we went ahead and followed the lines where there were already OEM wiring harnesses, and then we just used our L and our Z brackets and a whole bunch of zip ties, all of the hardware that comes with the kit, in order to mount everything nice and securely underneath the vehicle. Once you've installed the cyclones and all the wiring exactly where you want it, then all you'll have to do is connect the cyclones with the bullet connectors to the respective wiring harnesses. Here's the wiring diagram for your reference while you're working on installing your kit, so feel free to pause the video here if you just need a little bit of time to analyze the diagram, but you can also download this from our website if you need to. Now, if you need any help with all of this wiring, feel free to leave any questions that you have in the comment section below, and then we'll do our best to help out. For each of the 6 Cyclone wire harnesses, separate and then attach the red wires to the spade terminal end of the fuse block. Then you'll just go ahead and do the exact same thing with the black wires to the ground post that you can see here on the right side of the video. Next up is to connect everything to the battery. So you'll start by connecting the fuse block, the positive power, and the yellow wire for the KC switch to the battery, and then the negative ground of the harness to the battery and the ground post. To wire up the KC switch, all you have to do is run the 3 wires for the switch harness through the firewall and then attach it to the switch and mount the switch wherever you're planning to mount it inside the vehicle. After this, just plug all the fuses back in and then you are ready to turn your Cyclones on and get your rig ready for some night wheeling. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you like seeing videos like this, and remember to adventure further.